Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Palworld lag. So first of all, you want to be connected to the Ethernet if possible. If not, then of course you can use Wi-Fi, but basically Ethernet gives you a more stable connection. And another thing to try out is go to Task Manager. On Task Manager, you want to go ahead and find your Palworld shipping file, this one. Then click Go to Details, and then on Details you want to go ahead and set priority to high. Also make sure to close any background applications which may interfere. Now if that didn't fix the problem, you want to go to Palworld Options on Graphics. Then you want to set the graphics to low, screen mode, just leave it on Windows, otherwise you won't be able to change the resolution. The screen resolution you want to choose 1280x720, and the screen mode now you can choose full screen. After that you want to go ahead and turn off VSync and motion blur. Then field of view should be 70 and a right camera distance should be 0.5. Also just leave windowed for now. Now, while your game is opened, you want to open up your display settings, then choose your monitor, and on your monitor you want to go ahead and change display resolution. You want to go ahead and change it to 1280x720. So basically this gives you a feeling you're playing in full screen, but with better FPS. Now, after this, you want to go to Run, open it up, and then you want to go ahead and write down % local app data %, open it. Then you want to search for PAL folder. Once you found it, open it, go to Saved, Config, then WinGDK or Windows, then scroll down until you will find Game User Settings INI folder file. And you want to go ahead and edit it in Notepad. Just open it. Now, after this, you want to change the resolution quality to 50, the shading quality to 0, and the resolution size, which we have changed recently, you want to go ahead and change it to 800x600, just like so. After that, you want to exit this and save it. And you want to go ahead, right click on this file, go to Properties and click Read Only, click Apply and OK. Now you also want to go back to your display options and you want to change the resolution to 800x600. Now you won't see it very clearly because of my OBS, but basically it will make you like you're playing in full screen with a really good FPS. Of course, if your quality is really low and you don't like it, you can try to change it to higher quality and see if the FPS is still good. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel and I will see you next time.